I'm going to show you my 5-step method for making listing videos that make buyers go, yeah! Stay tuned. I'm Owen Video.
Owen Video!
Welcome back to the Owen Video Show. I gave up what could have been a highly successful rap career to teach you how to create videos that will grow your business and make more sales. So if you're a business owner and you're looking to grow, be sure to subscribe. Today, we're talking about realtors and how to make a real estate listing video that's not atrocious. Listing videos are very popular for advertising your home, and Homes.com reported that 85% of buyers say they prefer to work with an agent who uses video. I'm gonna show you how to use that video right. Let's get started. Equipment-wise, you need a tripod and an iPhone adapter, and we put links in the description box for those and the other equipment we're gonna show here today. Make sure the tripod has an arm for pans and tilts. Get something lightweight and easy to store. The first shot is called an establishing shot. Really what that means is a wider view of where we are. Just get a nice solid shot of the outside of the house. You want about 7 seconds of that shot. Next, move inside to your staged living room. I want to show you 2 more shots called pans. A pan means the camera moves from left to right or right to left. This is how you show off the whole space. When you move the camera, make sure your movements are fluid and not shaky. Get a shot from right to left, then readjust the camera and get a shot from left to right. You can also use a lens adapter like this one here to get a wide angle view, which makes the room seem roomier. I use the Allo clip and I really like it, but I don't always use it. You're gonna want these to be at least 5 to 7 seconds as well. Next, we'll move into tilts. A tilt is a camera shot that moves from top to bottom or bottom to top. These shots could help to show the height of a room, or they could show off tall objects. They're also great for use in tighter rooms like this one here. But really, it's just a new way to introduce new footage into the scene. We've already done a static shot, followed by a left moving, then right moving shot, so we want to vary the movement. It's more engaging that way for the viewer. Finally, we're gonna move into the reveal. A reveal is shot best when shot with a DSLR on a dolly, but we can mimic that same feel with just our tripod and a smartphone. A reveal shot reveals a new area of interest by moving the physical location of the camera, not just the angle. This gives the shot a very cinematic and professional feel. Your last shot here is your end card. Here you'll end on your big idea. This is what makes this video more unique than the next one. Okay? This is what I was talking about in the beginning. If you end your video correctly, you'll actually generate leads using videos like these. Here's what you'll want to do. Your final shot should be the big idea of the video. This is where your frame ends. The image should be powerful and positioned to deliver a text message. Here's what I mean. This is powerful text that asks your viewers to take an action. When that action is measurable, like click this or call me, then you have a way to pull a lead from your video rather than just views. As you continue to create videos like this, you're building up a network of viewers who are constantly hearing your name and your value statement attached to a great piece of video that might look something like this. Thanks so much for checking out today's show, and if you're a realtor, be sure to check out my link right over here and learn more about my courses. I teach how you can grow your real estate business with video. If you want to geek out on some more videos, down here are my hour-long tutorials. This is really meaty stuff down here. Up here, you're going to see my videos on Facebook video ads. If you got to get going, be sure to subscribe before you leave for tips every week on how to grow your business with video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.